A man in Shenzhen, Guangdong, owns a Mercedes-Benz S600L, which was considered the pinnacle of luxury cars back in the day. Equipped with a powerful V12 engine, its original price was over 3 million yuan. However, now its engine is severely damaged, with pistons heavily carbonized and even starting to crumble, despite having only 250,000 kilometers on the odometer. What exactly has this car been through? The exterior has multiple areas with peeling paint, dents, and a long scratch. The interior is relatively intact, except for noticeable wear and damage on the seats. Overall, it's fairly tidy. Surprisingly, it still has an old car phone installed. Not sure if it still works. Additionally, it is equipped with in-car Wi-Fi, with countless features, truly worthy of being called the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz. Faced with such a scarred classic luxury car, can a makeover restore it to its peak condition? Let's wait and see.
Perform fine polishing on the car body.
Repeatedly wash and polish to ensure the paint surface is smooth. Start polishing the dead corners and gaps.
Start spraying high concentration scratch resistant varnish.
Thoroughly clean the evaporator box using a professional cleaning kit.
Conduct rain testing to ensure the roof does not leak.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.